then I got one Josh Talk video. And that video was like, I proudly say his name. His name was Rahul Bhatnagar. You must be knowing. Okay, his video was that. And he was so
Right.
sharing his journey. And that journey hits me hard. I felt that he's telling my story, because so many times I used to feel that I'm so educated, I done a lot of things, but still I don't have money to lead my life. What kind of person I am, sometimes I used to feel. And that same thing he was sharing it. And then I started searching about him, what he does and all those things. Then I joined his community and I got the opportunity to talk to him. And when I shared my story, that this is the thing, I failed startup I had, I left my job and the COVID era is happening. I don't know what to do. Then he just said one thing to me. He said, Pooja, whatever you know, start creating content. I said, I don't know. I'm a camera shy person. I don't know. He said, whatever. The thing which you most comfortable in and you think that, more than 12 hours you can talk about it, start creating content around it. And I started creating videos on communication skills, interview skills, and all those things, and randomly started posting on Facebook. And simultaneously, I started my talk show, which was just finding answer of my question, because I was feeling depressed. I was feeling that, as I said, that I'm educated enough and everything. Why it is happening with me? Why I'm so useless? So I started finding out the answer to those people, like who are, have done something in their life. So I was wanted to know that do they also feel same thing? Do they also face this problem, or only I am facing this? So I that's how I started connecting people on Instagram live, and that's how the 3.5 years journey, now it became a talk show. So that's how it started. And from
Wow.
there I created content, and then people are started noticing it. Then I came to know about freelancing, and I went and I approached some of the companies. They have given me work. So on that time, when COVID era was there, people are getting laid off. On that time, I started earning money. So it was a miracle for me, and I started believing on that person blindly. That person was Rahul Bhattagar. And then again, I got the opportunity after 6 to 7 months. I started talking to him. I asked him, like, okay, I'm starting, helping people. I started training people on communication skills. But whatever I'm teaching them, it is on the basis of my experience, whatever I learned from that. I don't know
Mm-hmm.
a very technical part of all those things. Then he said, whatever you like, whatever you think that you are good at, or you are never get tired of, that skill set, learn some high income skill set. Then I thought ki, like, communication skills is not my part. Like, okay, I can talk about it, but I don't want to go so deeper in that. So I love to talk. I love to talk people, and I love dressing. So one thing was in the mind, if I'll choose communications, for example, in future, if I'll become communication coach, then my dressing part will be left out, which I love most. How can I
Mm-hmm.
connect both the things? Then I came to know about image consulting, which talks about visual communication, where we communicate through our clothing, through our appearance, through our grooming, through our, body language. Then I realized that this is the right thing which I should go for that. Then whatever money I have earned from freelancing, I just invested in all those money in that. I started learning from that course. On that COVID era, I reinvested on myself, and then that's how I started getting project, and after that started working with the company, freelancing, and that's how the start happens. And Pooja's talk show was running on continuously because I enjoyed doing it. So you were the part of that. That's how it is.